Round number 1, chain 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then one lifting chain. Second chain from hook, we do 1 single crochet in each stitch for the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we do chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we skip 6 stitches. We skip 6 chain. Then we do 1 single crochet in each chain for the next 9 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we do chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we skip 6 chain. Then we do 1 single crochet in each stitch for the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we do chain 1 and turn. Round number 2, 1 single crochet in each stitch for the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Next, you do 1 single crochet in each chain for the next 6 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next we do 1 single crochet in each stitch for the next 9 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we do 6 single crochet on the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next we do 1 single crochet in each stitch for the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. We change to blue yarn, chain 2, sorry, it's not blue, it's light green. Turn our work and then tie a knot. Round number 3, we do 1 double crochet in each stitch for the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, and then we do 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the sequence around. And then we do a slip stitch to join the ends. Chain 2. Round number 4, we do 1 double crochet in each stitch for the next 3 stitches. 2, 3. Next we do 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the sequence around. Do a slip stitch to end round number 4. Then chain 2. Round number 5, we do 1 double crochet in each stitch for the next 4 stitches. 2, 3, 4. Next we do 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the sequence around. We do a slip stitch to end round number 5. Then chain 2. Round number 6, 1 double crochet in each stitch around. Total stitch count for the round is 60. We do a slip stitch to end round number 6 and then chain 1. Round number 7, we crochet 2 single crochet together around. Total stitch count for the round is 30. Round number 8 to round number 9, 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Total stitch count for each round is 30. We go back to round number 1 to work on the other loop. We do 1 single crochet in each stitch for the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then we do a decrease. Repeat the sequence around. Next, we do chain 3 to create a hole for the button, and then we do 2 single crochet. Distribute evenly over the opening of the dress.